Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for D&D miniatures. That 3D printer is specifically for users that want to make the most accurate and detailed miniatures with 3D printers. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we've done the hard work for you and chosen the top 3D printers that is perfect for making miniatures. The best output from this printer is clean and precise, with zero distortion of the miniature's details. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Snapmaker 3-in-1 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can bring your miniatures to life with precision and quality, the Snapmaker 2.0 modular 3-in-1 printer is your ultimate choice. This advanced 3D printer is not just a 3D printer, it also doubles as a laser engraver and CNC carver, making it the ultimate creative tool for your D&D projects. One of the many highlights of this printer is its expansive work area. With a build volume of up to 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters in the A350T model, this printer can handle larger models or multiple miniatures in a single print. Its modular design allows you to add various modules and accessories for even more creative possibilities. Are you worried about noise during the printing process? The Snapmaker team has thoughtfully addressed this with their noise reduction chip and lead optimization on the linear module. This printer runs quietly, creating a peaceful work environment. Besides its technical features, the Snapmaker 2.0 printer is stylish and sophisticated, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. With its top-of-the-line technology and sleek design, this printer is a worthy investment for any D&D enthusiast. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is Official Creality 3D printer. As a passionate Dungeons & Dragons player, you know that having high-quality miniatures can make all the difference in your gaming experience. And with the Official Creality 3D printer, you can take your representations to the next level. This cutting-edge 3D printer boasts lightning-fast printing speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second, thanks to its standalone motors at each X/Y/Z axis and steel transmission shaft. Its advanced dual-gear direct extruder can handle a wide range of filaments, including PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS, ensuring you can bring your miniatures to life in stunning detail. With its all-metal cube frame, thick linear shafts, and extra gussets, the Creality 3D printer is incredibly stable and durable. It also features automatic bed leveling and a filament runout sensor, making it easy to use and reliable. The Official Creality 3D printer is a top-of-the-line choice for Dungeons & Dragons enthusiasts who want to create stunning miniatures quickly. Its impressive speed, reliability, and high-quality results make it a must-have for any tabletop severe gamer. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer. Are you a D&D mini enthusiast searching for a top-of-the-line 3D printer to take your game to the next level? Then the FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer is an excellent choice for you. With an immense build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 in /280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, this printer can meet all your D&D mini printing needs. Its intelligent compensation of the platform height through the Z-axis during printing makes automatic leveling a breeze. But the Guider IIS is more than just extensive. It's also powerful. The printer can reach a nozzle temperature of up to 300 degrees Celsius. It can handle various filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PVA, PETG, nylon, HIPS, PA, PC, wood, electrically conductive materials, and carbon fiber composite materials. Its dual platform and flexible, durable build plates allow quick heating and effortless model removal. At the same time, its resume printing function ensures you can pick up where you left off, even during a power outage or unexpected stoppage. The Guider IIS is designed with safety and convenience in mind. Its HEPA 13 air filter adsorbs impurities and gases generated by industrial filament printing, ensuring a safe and comfortable printing environment. So if you want to purchase this 3D printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Frozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. As a Dungeons & Dragons enthusiast, you know that the quality of your miniatures can make or break your tabletop game. The Frozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer is the ultimate tool for bringing your creations to life with unparalleled precision and detail. With a 3840 by 2160 ultra-high-definition resolution, the Sonic Mini 4K can print miniatures at 35mm with 722 ppi, the highest ppi ever. This allows you to create incredibly detailed models and small tabletops with the highest precision. Despite the impressive resolution, you won't have to sacrifice size for quality, as the Sonic Mini 4K provides ample printing volume of 5.2 inches by 2.9 inches by 5.1 inches. The Sonic Mini 4K boasts a 6.1-inch monochrome LCD screen that enables the 3D printer to operate up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers. Rapid prototyping increases printing efficiency and enhances precision by printing each layer in only 2 seconds. It is compatible with most 3D printing resins on the market, allowing you to use your preferred wax for creating your D&D miniatures. If you are interested in the Mini LCD 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Geeetech Mizar Auto Leveling 3D Printer. The Geeetech Mizar S Auto Leveling 3D Printer is a top-notch choice when producing high-quality D&D miniatures. This printer's dual leveling system and one-button ABL automatic bed leveling technology make it easy to achieve precise and accurate prints every time. With a high-precision leveling sensor and no external leveling accessories like the BL Touch, the Mizar S is efficient and user-friendly. The Mizar S also boasts a stable magnetic platform, which eliminates the problem of unstable printing caused by loose nuts. The aluminum plate is fully fixed to the bracket with 12 screws, and adjusting the nozzle height is required for leveling. The magnetic plate and steel sheet design provides excellent adhesion and makes it easy to remove the models. The Mizar S has a large build volume of 255 by 255 by 260 millimeters, providing ample space for creating intricate and detailed D&D miniatures. The dual Z-axis screw design enhances printing quality, producing delicate and precise models. The Mizar S is equipped with a super silent driver and open-source motherboard. Its high-performance 32-bit MCU and TMC2208 quiet driver effectively reduce the noise of the stepper motor to below 50 dBs, ensuring minimal disruption to your work or study. So if you buy the Mini 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for D&D Mini. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.